What's up, guys? Welcome back to MattDIY. So normally I'm showing you how to work on cars, things like that. I'm going to switch it up a little bit today. I'm actually going to kick off a project that I've been putting off for a long time, and that's actually going to be updating the wiring and the lighting in my garage, because I came to the conclusion that without a good garage or a good place to work, I can't be buying more Copart cars if I don't have even the place I'm going to work in up to par. So I'm going to show you some of the issues out here. We've just got some wiring running everywhere. We've got some poor old fluorescent lighting we're going to take care of. And we're going to go through the whole process. We're going to replace some outlets. We're going to replace the lighting with LED. We're going to actually, if you can see it back there, we're actually going to replace the old fuse box with an electrical panel. So we'll walk through that. Figure I'd just take you through the whole process. Today we'll focus mainly on teardown. So all these panels and things behind me are going to come out, get to the box seat we're dealing with, and kind of go from there. But before we get started, guys, if you like this type of thing and you like to learn how to do things on your own around the house, go ahead and be sure to subscribe down below. And with that, let's go ahead and get started. All right, so starting off, guys, the main reason we're doing this, we've got an old fuse box out here. I'm not exactly sure how old this is. The house was built in like 66. But we've got this old fuse box. We're going to get rid of this mess and just rewire it with a nice sub panel out here. We also got a bunch of circuits just going everywhere that I don't even really know what they're for. So we're going to take care of that. Also, we've got wires like literally just running places. Now you can see here somebody added a box with a switch for the outside lighting and then just decided to throw some wires around. Nothing stapled. And then there's the view into the old fluorescent lights. So we're just going to tackle all of this. Like I said, in this video, we're going to go ahead and tear this down. So this is coming out. This panel's coming out. This electrical, we're going to take that off. Going to take this off, which is actually a makeshift thing for the generator. Talk about that later. And then we're going to take, sorry for the blip there, guys. We're going to take this panel off, and we're actually going to get to this electric panel and see what we can do with it. We might even get into taking the wires out and circuits today and just seeing what we're dealing with and what we're going to need to take on. I also am not sure what the amp rating is on the wire that comes in here from the house. I'm not even sure which of those wires comes in from the house. So I'm going to look at that too and see if we can't see what our max amperage we can put out here in the new breaker box is. It looks like maybe 30. But we're going to see what we can do there and see if maybe in the future we could put like an electric heater out here or something. But anyways, before we get ahead of ourselves, let me set you guys up and we'll just start tearing into it. guys. Taking 5 to show you what we got done. So got everything torn off, as you can see. So I think we got a little bit of time left today. I think we're gonna pull the insulation out and just get all the wires out of the box. I'll connect up what I need temporarily just to get the garage door up and down. And we may get into this box, but probably not. We might just remove that one, see what we have as far as circuits and things, and then just hold off for there in this video. But so let's go on and do that, and then that'll be about it. Alright guys, so we got it all off. You can see you got the wires hanging. So I think what we have here is we got two coming in. So it's technically 120, 120. There's the 240. Then we've got 2 feeding the box over there that works for the outlet and the lights. And then we've got 2 that go right up there to that junction box. And then that feeds the rest of the garage with some outlets and things, and a big mess back there. We're just gonna get rid of most of that actually. So that's what we have going on. The disappointing thing is I don't even think this is 12.2, guys. I'm pretty sure this is 14.2, meaning we can only run 15 amps out here, and that's why there's a 15 amp breaker in the panel. So that's unfortunate. I'm not aware that we're going to be able to do any kind of sort of powerful heater on that, but I'm going to have to double check. But no biggie. We can still put the sub panel in and get everything wired back up, and it's going to be so much neater. But I think we're going to hold it off there and come back to it next time. That'll be good enough for part 1, and it's extremely hot out here, guys. Pretty humid, so I think I'm going to call it there, clean up, and call it a day. So that's part 1, guys. Like I said, we're going to leave it there just to tear down for today. Sorry I look like heck, but working out here in the humidity and the heat, it's been a little tough. We got done what I wanted to get done, and we're just going to, from here, probably do a little bit more tearing out and then putting things back together. But anyways, thanks for watching, guys. If you have any questions or anything, please put them down in the comments below. Smash that like button. Be sure to subscribe and turn post notifications on. And until next time, guys, get out and do it yourself.